Derrick, why'd you take your pants off?
My balls was hot.
I understand.
Hi, my name is Derrick Lewis, and I have the record for the most knockouts in UFC history. But there's one thing I couldn't beat, an embarrassing condition called my balls was hot. That was before I found the Performance Package by Manscaped. Now I use Manscaped at least once a day. With Manscaped, my balls are smooth. My balls smell fresh, and most importantly, my balls are cool. Thanks to the lawnmower below the waist trimmer, crop preserver, anti-chafing ball deodorant, and a maximum performance cooling boxers.
Join Derrick and the over 8 million men worldwide who have discovered the power of Manscaped. Side effects may include increased confidence around love interests, elevated charisma during press conferences, and more swagger.
Order the Performance Package today at manscaped.com.